Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. And just finishing up today. Ran out of some little boulders for a herb garden I was building. So gonna finish that tomorrow and then plant the herb spirals out. But just show you what I got, take you on a little walk. This is going to be an herb garden here. So we're just using the boulders that were in here and moving them over here. So we're always try to use resources that are already there. And so just gonna get a few more boulders to make up the difference, and that will be nice herb garden. It'll be mulched with probably some straw or some hay, and then in here we're gonna have an herb garden also. We're gonna get that squared away tomorrow, and then I'll take you down to the finished herb spirals. There is now 2 of them, and I'm going to plant those tomorrow too. Kind of just giving it some time to settle, because have all the leaves and organic matter that's laying in the bottom, then through that soil on top, and there's a lot of crevices and stuff like that. I try to stomp it down a little bit, but just let it settle, and I'll probably throw some more on top. Here it is, all filled up, and that's gonna have herbs in it tomorrow, and have a little mulch on top of that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And then there's the other one over there, which twin herb spirals. Okay. And there you go. And then we're putting the benches and raised gardens here. I'll be starting that project probably tomorrow night. At home I'll start building it, and then we'll get it done, and then this project is gonna be finished. But here we are in the back, and all these, this is all from dogs. What is in that dog piss? There has to be some toxic stuff in there for it to kill grass. I mean, geez, look at that. But all these dead patches, I'm planting clover, all different types of clover and ground covers that are going to take over instead. And eventually, hopefully it takes over all this grass. But yeah, they're not attached to the grass. They'd rather not have it. Less to cut, less to have to deal with. I'm going to turn you around here. So many different things you can do around your home and have it feed you and still look nice. And just because people call it a garden doesn't mean it's ugly. But this is not a garden. This is a food forest or an edible landscape. A garden is work. Annual gardens, you have to pay attention to them because you only have so much time, right? With perennials, you put them in the ground. A tree grows for as long as it grows, and it should produce its bounty for years and years to come. And just think, having 80 trees on your property of all different types of fruits or berries. There's so many. But anyway, get a hold of me if you want to turn your backyard into a food producing paradise. Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit, I'll show you my new website name. It goes to my website, foodforestabundancemn.com, but this is just one that's kind of where we are in today's world, and it's much easier to remember than foodforestabundance.com. There There you go. menfoodrevolution.com. Now I put it on my truck. My truck doesn't look like much, it's just a workhorse, but it might not be pretty, but while it's not pretty, it's gonna advertise for me until I get my new truck and my trailer. But have a great day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns, and I will be back here tomorrow and have an update for you. Take care. See ya.